Welcome to Global Leadership Nexus, your premier destination for leadership and management excellence. In this series, we'll explore the essential skills and knowledge required to excel in project management. Let's dive into our first module, where we will cover an introduction to project management principles, the importance of project management across different industries, the project life cycle phases, and key project management terms and concepts. Module 1, Introduction to Project Management. First, let's talk about what project management is. Project management is the practice of initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, and closing the work of a team to achieve specific goals and meet specific success criteria. It's all about organizing and managing resources so that the project is completed within defined scope, quality, time, and cost constraints. Definition of project management. Project management ensures that a project is completed on time, within budget, and meets the desired quality standards. It involves coordinating and overseeing various tasks and activities to achieve project objectives. Importance of project management in different industries. Why is project management important? Well, effective project management brings structure and discipline to the work being done. This is crucial in various industries, from construction and IT to healthcare and marketing. Let's look at a few examples. Importance of project management across industries. In construction, project management ensures that buildings are completed on schedule and within budget. In IT, it helps in managing software development projects to meet client needs. In healthcare, project management can streamline operations and improve patient care. Project life cycle phases. Now, let's dive into the project life cycle phases. Understanding these phases is fundamental to managing a project successfully. The project life cycle consists of 5 main phases: initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. Project life cycle phases. Initiation. The initiation phase is where the project starts. The goal is to define the project at a broad level. This phase involves conducting feasibility studies to assess whether the project is viable. For example, a company considering a new software product might analyze market demand and technical feasibility. A project charter is then created to outline the objectives, deliverables, and key stakeholders. It serves as a formal authorization for the project. For instance, the charter for a new marketing campaign might include objectives such as increasing brand awareness and deliverables like social media content and advertisements. Planning. The planning phase involves detailed planning. Project plans are developed, including timelines, resources, budget estimates, and risk assessments. This phase is critical for setting the groundwork for the project. For example, a construction project might create a Gantt chart to schedule tasks such as site preparation, foundation laying, and framing. Resources like labor, materials, and equipment are allocated, and budget estimates are created to ensure financial feasibility. Execution. The execution phase is where the work gets done. Tasks are assigned, teams are coordinated, and project plans are put into action. Effective communication and management skills are vital in this phase. For instance, in a product development project, engineers, designers, and marketers collaborate to create and launch a new product. Regular meetings and updates ensure everyone is aligned and any issues are addressed promptly. Monitoring and controlling. The monitoring and controlling phase runs concurrently with execution. It involves tracking the project's progress, identifying any issues, and making necessary adjustments to ensure the project stays on track. For example, in a software development project, progress reports might track completed features, bugs fixed, and overall progress toward milestones. If the project is falling behind, adjustments such as reallocating resources or extending deadlines might be necessary to keep it on track. Closing. The final phase involves wrapping up the project. Deliverables are handed over, evaluations are conducted, and documentation is completed. Lessons learned are documented for future projects. For instance, in a marketing campaign, final deliverables like campaign reports and performance analytics are handed over to the client. Post-project evaluations are conducted to assess what went well and what could be improved. Key project management terms and concepts. Lastly, let's cover some key project management terms and concepts that you'll encounter frequently. Understanding these terms will help you communicate more effectively and manage your projects more efficiently. Key project management terms and concepts. Scope. Scope refers to the detailed set of deliverables or features of a project. The scope defines what will be included in the project and what will not. Stakeholders. These are individuals or groups who have an interest in the project's outcome. Stakeholders can include clients, team members, managers, and other affected parties. Gantt chart. A Gantt chart is a visual tool used to plan and schedule the timeline of a project. It shows the start and end dates of project tasks and their dependencies. Risk management. Risk management involves identifying, analyzing, and responding to project risks. Effective risk management ensures that potential problems are anticipated and mitigated. Milestones. Milestones are significant points or events in the project timeline. Milestones help track progress and ensure that the project is on schedule. And that's our introduction to project management. We've covered the basics of project management principles, its importance in various industries, the project life cycle phases, and some key terms and concepts. In our next module, we'll dive deeper into the initiation phase and explore how to effectively start a project. Thank you for joining, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session.